In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to emails with AI in Gmail using Gemini AI. Let's start by opening Gmail. You can use your web browser or the mobile app, whichever you prefer. Once you're in, navigate to the specific email thread you want to reply to. It helps to skim the most recent message so you're clear on the sender's request, any deadlines mentioned, and the overall tone of the conversation. Having that context in mind will make the AI's help more accurate and save you from extra edits later. Next, click the reply button in that thread. This opens the familiar reply box where you'd normally type your response. Now look toward the top right area of the reply window for the Gemini icon. Click it to activate Gemini. This tells Gmail you want AI assistance writing your reply, so everything happens in context, no copy and paste required. In the prompt area that appears, type a clear instruction. For example, write a professional reply to this email. That short direction is enough to get started, but feel free to be a bit more specific if you already know the tone or key points you want. You might mention that you want it to sound confident yet friendly, or clarify that you're accepting a meeting, requesting more information, or providing a brief status update. The more precise your prompt, the more tailored the draft Gemini generates will be. Gemini will then generate your prompts and craft a suggested reply directly inside the Composer EA area. Take a moment to read it carefully. Make quick edits to ensure the details are accurate, remove anything that doesn't fit your voice, and add any specifics Gemini couldn't know, like dates, locations, or brief updates. Keep an eye out for placeholders and confirm that names, titles, and references match the original message. If something feels off, you can adjust your prompt and regenerate for a tighter fit. When you're satisfied with the generated reply, simply send it. As a final best practice, do a quick scan for clarity and brevity and make sure you're not sharing any sensitive information you don't intend to. If the original email mentioned an attachment or link you need to include, double-check that it's there before sending. And that's it. Open Gmail, go to your thread, click Reply, activate Gemini, tell it to write a professional response, review, and send with confidence.